What's happening, Facebook land? Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I am leaving a few showings this afternoon, coming back from Clemens, and I always kind of try to help out people where I can, and it may not be a help to you if you don't have a mortgage, but if you guys, anybody out there has got a mortgage that is conventional, you may not know that, you may not know if it's conventional, FHA, USDA, or whatever, but conventional loan that you've got the great PMI on your payment, on your statement every month. Ain't that fun to pay? So you guys that have FHA, loans in the last 4 years, I'd say, you cannot actually get your PMI off. Yay! Ain't that great, FHA buyers? I bet your bank didn't tell you that when you got your loan. So anyway, personal experience trying to get PMI off. I've done it a couple times with my mortgages. I personally don't know anybody with more mortgages than myself. That is not a good thing, but got a lot of some rental property, and this great PMI is because most people know that you can buy a property with almost 100% loan. If you do not have 20% down payment or more, they will place this awesome little thing that costs you money every month called PMI. PMI is private mortgage insurance, for those of you that do not know. A lot of times I will say that abbreviation and I kind of get that look like, what'd you say, Willis? So that's what it is. If you have it at private mortgage insurance, only if you're conventional lending, conventional loan, can you get it off, and you have to apply with the same company that is servicing the loan. So do that, personal experience, I do that, apply, pay the money for them to do what you would think would be an appraisal. However, they get a licensed real estate broker, just like myself, to come do what's called an interior BPO, broker price opinion, instead of an appraisal. Unfortunately, the one that got a hold of my order for my property did not know what he was doing absolutely at all. He's about $20,000 off. They denied my PMI removal request, and no call, no letter, no, hey, sorry, you wasted your money, nothing. I had to call back 2 weeks later and find all this out. So I'm telling you all this because I'm appealing it. I know the value of my property, obviously, this is all I do. So I am appealing it until I win, but I've had some in the past that I've done this way. It will reduce on a lot of mortgages. In other words, it won't just come off until you get to about 75% a lot of times. But the technical part, if you've had your mortgage less than 5 years, you probably will have to hit that 75% of, basically of loan to value spot in your equity. Okay, so what I'm talking about is you need to show that your property is worth X and you have 25% of equity set in the value of the property versus what you owe. Okay, hopefully that's clear enough. But so mine is definitely under that. I'm appealing, so I'm just gonna throw this out there. If anybody else looks at their mortgage statement every month like I do, and it kind of makes you throw up inside a little bit, and if you need somebody to run a value of your property for free, no charge at all, it doesn't take long for a realtor to run a value for you, to kind of set you up to see if it's even worth your time and your money to do an application to get PMI off. So anyway, hope that helps. If anybody needs me at all, you guys know how to reach out to me, 906-3417. Send me a message on Facebook, or you can come by the office, 220 Cedar Lodge Road, or you can email me either way, nathan@heplerrealty.com. Hope everybody has a great day, great weekend, and let me know if I can help. See ya.